Historically, gold prices have gone up over the long term. In 1996, the year the last members of the millennial generation were born, the price of gold peaked at $414 an ounce. Here we are 24 years later, and the price of gold has reached over $1,700 an ounce. That's an increase of over 300%. Over time, buying and holding onto gold can be a very smart decision. Overall, millennials tend to be more financially cautious than people from other generations. As such, many millennials are buying safe harbor assets like gold. As a group, millennials allocate a greater percentage of their assets to gold and other precious metals than any other group, including baby boomers. Conversely, millennials have less money tied up in equities. Unlike other generations, millennials might see more financial advantage to holding gold. Gold is not cryptocurrency. While some millennials may be buzzing about cryptocurrency, a 2019 Harris Poll survey indicated only 22% of people ages 18 to 34 would prefer allocations in Bitcoin over gold. Perhaps because Bitcoin and other kinds of digital currency are viewed as too risky. The industry is not regulated, and the currency is not backed up by any kind of government or central bank. Gold diversifies your portfolio. Most financial experts recommend that alternative assets, like gold and other precious metals, be a part of your retirement mix. Putting a fixed amount of money toward gold every month spreads risk over time and helps to decrease any potential downsides. Lastly, a long-term commitment to gold can pay off. The price of gold has enjoyed a track record of increases. If you commit to steady purchases of gold over time, you can probably experience yields from years and years of buying and holding those assets, especially if you start buying gold decades before you're ready to retire. It's never too early or too late to buy your first gold coin. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to get started. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing precious metals.